Half empty, the world feels wide. Whiskey tears I cannot hide. I talk to shadows, they talk back, in voices deep and painted black. My suit smells like regret and rain. My heart beats slow like a rusted chain. I laugh too loud to mask the cracks, but the silence always calls me back. Heaven shut the door, I never tried.